Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. This is 177 Lincoln Street in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you where we are. So this is right when you come into the front door. The front door is going to be here. And to the left, it shows the unit. You can see it's got the heating, the closet, and it's very, very big. It's probably the biggest out of the other ones that are going to be in here. This is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom unit. And this is the closet. So it's really a lot of the closets in here are going to be like walk-in closets because there's just a lot of space with this being the top unit. And this is on the 3rd floor. So this is unit 3, 177 Lincoln Street. Then as you come in here, so this is like right when you come through the front door, you've got the kitchen. So appliances and everything are in very, very good condition. Everything's got updated modern appliances, gas burner stove, and lots of room here. Definitely enough for a big dining room table. Then you've got the full bathroom here. And you've got high ceilings in this bathroom as well. Lets a lot of light in, and the whole place feels nice with the air coming in. Probably the most equilateral bedroom. Kind of like a square, same on all sides. Here's the closet, very big in here as well. Nice shelves, I really like that because you can just have a little bit of extra space. And then you go here to the kind of second half of the apartment. So this is gonna be a door to the rear exit of the building. And then over here, you've got just, it's mainly for storage. It's mainly for storage, but it's also got nice walking room. So, you could have nice standing over here. Here's the laundry hookups, some cabinets, and just some extra, small rooms. Got one there. And one there. And then this is just light from the rear of the building. And this is what this kind of hall looks like. So coming from the back to the front, we've got the laundry and lots of storage in this hall. Over here in the hallway, bedroom number 2, kitchen, bathroom. And yeah, that was 177 Lincoln Street, Unit 3 in Worcester, Mass. If you'd like updated information on all of our vacant units, please go to nexuswor.com. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.